Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer leads from Redfin to HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer leads from Redfin to HubSpot, start by logging into your Redfin account. Navigate to the leads or contacts section in your Redfin dashboard. Identify the leads you want to transfer. Select each lead by checking the corresponding boxes. Once you've selected the leads, look for an export option. You may find this option in a drop-down menu or as a button. Choose the format for exporting the leads, typically a CSV file. After selecting the format, initiate the export. Download the CSV file to your computer. Next, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts section within HubSpot. Find the option to import new contacts. Select the option to upload a file and choose the CSV file you downloaded from Redfin. Follow the prompts to map the fields from your CSV to the fields in HubSpot. Ensure that each field aligns correctly for a smooth import process. Once mapping is complete, confirm the import settings. Click on the Import button to start transferring the leads. Monitor the import progress and check for any errors. After the import is complete, review the newly added leads in your HubSpot dashboard. Verify that all data has transferred accurately. If needed, make any adjustments to optimize the lead information. Your leads from Redfin are now successfully transferred to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.